the solution to this example, we need to create a bar chart using that data and this data here, so ignoring column B. So we highlight this, hold control down, highlight this, we can say insert. In the column section we've got bar chart, so I'm just going to click on that. Then we want to change the order here, so you can see that this goes from A to S, and the bar chart as a default goes that way. So the way to do that, we click on here, right click and say format axes. So you'll see we have all of that. One of the options is categories in reverse order. So when I click on it, you'll see it comes in reverse order. Now in order to fit this graph in properly, what Excel has done is it's left out every second label. We want to force it. Now if we increase the size, it may automatically do it, but I want to rather show you how to do it. So again, we clicked here, go to labels, and I'm going to specify the interval levels to be a level of 1. So you'll see that appears. It does look a little bit messy, so let's just make it a bit bigger so we can see them all. And we could maybe either add a title or remove it by deleting it.